as peach season is drawing to an end, we are going to make my husband's wonderful and delicious peach cobbler. So here we have some flour, butter, and sugar, and this we will sprinkle on top. So let's put the butter right in here. And we're going to just kind of mix it into the flour, and with my thumbs just kind of break it up into smaller, almost flakes. You see how these little flakes like that? That's kind of what we're looking for. Now we're also going to put a pinch of salt in there since we're using unsalted butter. And now we're going to add the sugar to it. Let's place this in as well. And once again, we're going to mix everything up, and we'll place this in the refrigerator while we're cutting the peaches up. We will put some lemon juice in this casserole dish just to keep the peaches from oxidizing. They'll be able to maintain their pretty color better. And just a hint of the citrus will be very nice. It will actually enhance the flavor of the peaches. Let's get the seeds out, and we are ready to cut our peaches. Now there are two options. You can use the peach with the skin on, or you can also get rid of the skin, and what you do then is dip the peaches just for a few seconds into boiling water, and the skin will just come off so very easily. So we're going to slice these peaches. It doesn't need to be in a very precise way, and we're going to do that until all the peaches are gone. We'll give it a quick toss so the lemon can coat all the peaches. And now the topping. I tell you what, when my husband makes this, everybody gets so excited because it's so simple yet so incredibly delicious. And here we go. This is going to kind of go down into the cracks as well. And the result will be amazing. All right. This can go into the oven. We check the temperature with the infrared thermometer. It is ready to go in. Today we're using the gas-fired oven. We'll close the door and allow the oven to do its magic. Now for the great reveal. Let's peek inside. Oh yes, look at it bubbling. It looks delicious. The top is nicely caramelized. Can you imagine with some ice cream? And here we go. Let's get a nice scoop out. Oh yes. Look at these beautiful peaches inside. A little bit more. And then we're going to top it off with the ice cream. And the contrast of this hot cobbler and the cold ice cream is going to be delicious. And here we go. Look at it. I think we need a second scoop right over here. And we are going to wish you un buon appetito.